Okay guys, so it's really cold here that I'm wearing this robe. But I got this new to me type of tea. Matcha green tea from Lipton. So good, guys. Anyways, about to do breakfast and I can do a kind of walk. So what I have here is I have leftover rice and peas from Sunday lunch, some grilled chicken from yesterday's lunch, got fresh onion, and some vegetables that I already washed because I did this earlier this week. So let's get started cooking. Anyway, I did my nails yesterday. I did it myself. Just like glue on nails from the drugstore. I love it. Okay, to start you need a knife, cutting board, and a pan to do the walking. So just wash everything, place it there, and first thing I can do is slice this onion. Okay, so we have celery, garlic, onion, and we can caramelize this thing now, and I usually do it with a bit of sugar. Okay. And I have this on medium heat and just like sugar. Put in about a teaspoonful. Y'all know the caramelized onions now, so just till the onions turn clear. Don't let it burn. Cover it to get it do quicker. Y'all know how it is. I do like to burn my onions a little bit. Just because I like the smoky flavor. And then you put in the rice, put in how much ever rice you want. This is like a great day to use leftovers food that was there for 2 days after it done cooked. Don't put in too much rice. Because you're still cooking vegetables and you don't want to mix it. And lower the stove. You want to cook in the rice. Cover back down and wait. Don't forget to stir, guys. Honestly, I like to get it crispy, so I just overcook it a bit. Overwarm it a bit so you don't have to. Okay, well now the rice is a little bit crispier, a little bit oilier than it was when it was just boiled. Add the vegetables. I have carrot, I added extra onion and broccoli. Some extra celery because I like celery. I put in a lot of vegetables because I don't really use a lot of starch. I just eat mostly vegetables and very little starch because I'm trying to be healthy and also I like vegetables. Oh, look how pretty this is, guys. Like, so colorful. So what you can do is you're going to season it now. So the food wasn't cooked with much salt originally, so we can put in like 2 pinches of salt. Had too much in my hand. Some Italian seasoning. Put this in generously. You want that little flavor. Oops, dropped it. A dap of Bajan pepper sauce. Whatever's your favorite brand of Bajan pepper sauce. That's about a teaspoonful of pepper sauce. My sister don't like pepper. I need some of this for her. If it was me, from just me, I would put in a tablespoon of pepper sauce, but it's not for just me. and some balsamic vinegar, and about 2 tablespoons of this. I don't actually measure, I eyeball it. I've been cooking long enough to eyeball measurements. And then yeah, just stir it up. The chicken you add last because the chicken already seasoned and cooked. So I just want the vegetables and rice to soak up this flavor. And this is like something easy to do for like school. If you already got cooked food, you went home with your mother, you pick up some food and then food just there, like easy. Cover it back down. Move this off the stove before you start the fire, and just let the vegetables cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, so the general rule is you do the meat after the vegetables, never the vegetables after the meat. The meat already done cooked though, and I just slicing it into bite-sized pieces. And like, literally all of this is leftovers, so no food wasting. Okay, I turn back the stove to medium heat, because now I can put in the chicken and that is going to warm. Just stir it in. And you see, this is mostly chicken and vegetables. You can barely see the rice. The rice is just to add a little bit of carbs, so you're not just eating like grass. Cover it back down on a medium heat. Leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then this is done, guys. Okay, so you can see the steam coming off it. This is the final thing. The vegetables not cooked through because I don't like soggy vegetables. I like my vegetables to be crunchy. So this is literally all I can eat, but let me let my sister taste it. Here you go. Move. Okay, wait, let me get your fart. Why are you smiling so foolish? Is it good?
Surprising.
Oh my gosh. Nose is not dirty. It's just like an ointment that I got in it because the ear is so dry here. But anyways, yeah. I know I named this video Chronicles of a Rare Woman. We ain't stealing the man. This ain't actual cooking. I just warm up food. But it's good. It's delicious. And for me, this is like college practice because my aunt will cook sometimes and I'm gonna live here, but sometimes you just need food for quick, and this is like 20 minutes the most. It took me a while because I was recording, but this is very quick to do, very quick. So hope this video helps any of you who might be in college or who might just be working and need something quick to do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Sorry about my nose, it looked disgusting, but anyways, bye.